Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today I'll show you how you can unpublish an app from Play Store. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all open your browser and log into your Play Console account. So let me log in. After logging in, you can see an interface like this. Here you can see the list of all the apps that you have published in the Play Store. So now you have to choose an app that you want to unpublish. So I want to unpublish this app called CSID Notes. So let me choose this. Now in the left hand side, scroll down and click on advanced settings, and now you can see the option of app availability, and now click on this radio button showing unpublished, and now click on save changes, and you can see an alert dialog like this. And now you have to click on unpublish. So your app is unpublished successfully. So guys, how is this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.